Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. So after pre-market scanning, I got a stock that is JSW Steel. So before the market opens, let's draw some labels, trend lines, and we'll see what holds for us today. Okay, so I drew trend lines. After that I draw this resistance area and this support area. Usually the price was between these two levels, and I will draw a trend line here to see how the price responds today and how the price respects. Based on the market conditions, I think JSW Steel is a buy today. This is the path I am drawing in which the price should react. So after cutting this, it will fly above. I will color it green and we will wait for the market to open. Okay, the market has opened. It took a support from that region. We will wait for a pullback, and after that, if we get a signal, I am buying here 5,882 quantity based on the risk management. The risk reward is 1:2. Okay, seems I hit the stop loss. Let's exit. It's going up again. It's consolidating. But I will not rush into the trade. I will wait for another signal and I will do what is the needful. Okay, it's going up. Seems it hit our stop loss and it's going up. I will wait for another pullback on the support area. Okay, it's getting rejected in the trend line. Okay, if it takes supports and if it shows a buying opportunity, then I'll buy for sure. No, again it's getting rejected. Okay, it's following a trend, I guess, small trend. Yes, let's draw a trend line here. Okay, it broke the trend line again. I will wait. Okay, I am buying here. I bought. The stop loss will be just here and the target will be the previous target which I set. It's taking support in that area. Let's wait. Let's see. Let's reduce the stop loss and exit from the trade. I guess it will not go in our favor. I'll take a short trade here. I think, yes, I'm taking a trade. I'll place the stop loss just above the swing high and wait for the target. So let me guess where the target will be. Seems to be here. That will be a risk reward of 1:6. let's see the previous areas. That seems to be a good area of setting the target. Okay, this will be the target, and my risk to reward will be 1:4. So if it hits the target, then I'll be in a good profit. The loss will get recovered and my profit will double. Let's see how it reacts. Okay, let's draw a area here. If it rejects that, we may, okay, I hit the target. Let me exit from the target as soon as possible. Okay, I am exiting it. So that's all for the day. I took 3 trades.